I'm reading from chapter 25 of the book, The Sound of Light, written by Leonard Sweet and Lisa Sampson. Chapter 25 is titled With One Word, Sanctuary. For many centuries, the cry of sanctuary fell from the trembling lips of those hiding in churches. Kings would not overrun the inner sanctum of a church or cathedral when looking for a wanted person, a political enemy, or someone on the run from danger. If God wants that trouble, let God have it, perhaps they thought. Or maybe in moments of compassion, they pardoned a person to God's care and a life of service, since they were so desperate to exile in church. For me, for you, for all of us, God says, "Come in, beloved." Beloved child, come in. Sanctuary is the embrace of the one who loves you. Sanctuary is being surrounded with the arms so strong you feel God's heartbeat with joy and burst with understanding. The hearts of you and of the one who made you beat together and pulse in unison. I am here. Like a frightened child raising their arms to a parent asking for a pickup, you will be lifted, scooped right up into the abiding presence of God, even now. Like the sanctuary of old, what you've done, what I've done, doesn't matter there. When you raise your arms to be received by God, you let go of all the rights you thought you had that only brought you pain. Be lifted, dear friends. Be received, child of God. Be loved, beloved. And please know you are held in the everlasting arms. Does a parent forget their child? Not this parent. Death isn't anything to be afraid of. This world and its trials and mysteries sometimes feel like a bad dream. But instead of an unending existence of these fearful scenarios, God has planned so much more for us. Leaving this world behind is like waking up from a nightmare and finding yourself safely tucked into your good parent's arms, resting next to the heart of the one who loves you. Nothing to fear. The trials have ended. And you're home. Rest. Receive, and let the one who is with you now carry you in perfect timing to the sanctuary of the home you never truly left, the home we call God, the home where we are invited to be loved, beloved.